The Mini Cooper S 5-door offers passengers more space and comfort. The model is 172 mm, longer than the Mini 3-door model, and has a 72 larger wheelbase. Thanks to compact external dimensions, short overhangs, and a small turning circle of 11.4 metres, the 5-door model remains a versatile vehicle for the city. Thanks to the increased tyre diameter to 625 mm, the Mini Cooper 5-door looks more visually present. At the same time, this improves driving dynamics and driving comfort. The 60/40 folding rear seats allow the volume in the luggage compartment to grow from 275 litres to up to 925 litres, and underline the universal idea of Mini. Plenty of space in a small footprint. Efficient gasoline engine for sporty mobility. The Mini Cooper S 5-door model has a 4-cylinder engine with 204 bhp. Combined fuel consumption 6.8 to 6.3 litres 100 kilometres. Combined CO2 emissions 152 to 141 g per kilometre in accordance with WLTP. CO2 Class E, and a maximum torque of 300 newton meters. It accelerates to 100 km per h in 6.8 seconds and reaches a top speed of 242 km per hour. The increased track width and longer wheelbase, in combination with a precisely tuned suspension and damping system, ensure a high level of comfort and lively handling. Combined with the precise steering feel typical of Mini and powerful brakes, this guarantees a high level of comfort in everyday life. Highly pre-stressed stabilizer bearings on the axles ensure balanced body behavior when dynamically cornering and increase steering precision. Favored trim with individual expression. 4 different trim variants focus on different vehicle characteristics. In favoured trim, both the front grille frame and specific design elements are highlighted in vibrant silver and expand the individual expression. The reduced form language of the new Mini design comes into its own in the colour Icy Sunshine Blue. In addition to the brand's typical multi-tone roof with a gradual colour gradient, there are 3 contrasting colours as well as the respective vehicle colours and a total of 11 body colours to choose from. Aerodynamic rim designs in sizes between 16 inches and 18 inches offer further exterior equipment options. Minimalistic and innovative interior textile surfaces characterize the feel-good atmosphere in the Mini Cooper interior. A specially developed knitting process creates the easy care, versatile structure of the textile made from recycled polyester. In high-quality favoured trim, a 2-tone houndstooth pattern adorns the knitted surface of the instrument panel and extends into the door trim. The perforated Veshin sports seats are available in nightshade blue and beige, and with traditional accent stitching. The cockpit of the new Mini Cooper 5-door is reminiscent of the puristic design of the classic Mini. The round OLED display allows all vehicle functions to be operated by touch or voice. In the upper area, vehicle-related information is displayed. At the bottom of the OLED display, the menu items, navigation, media, telephone and climate can be selected directly. The parking brake, gear selector, start-stop key, experience mode and volume control functions are directly accessible via the characteristic toggle switch strip. Instead of a gear selector, there is more storage space in the center console with an open shelf for smartphones. These can be charged via wireless charging and are always at hand. New driver assistance systems make everyday life easier. Thanks to 12 ultrasonic sensors and 4 surround view cameras, Parking Assistant Plus can identify parking spaces more precisely and independently, initiate space-restricted parking processes. Mini Digital Key Plus turns the smartphone into a key. As soon as the driver is within 3 meters of the vehicle, the welcome projections of the front and rear lights start, and the doors open at a distance of less than 1.5 meters. the digital key can be transferred to various users and replaces the transfer of the classic vehicle key for easier car sharing. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our JCW Adventures channel for the latest mini news and reviews on YouTube,